Hey everyone, Dustin at Merit Ford. Just want to show you a 2025 XLT that we got. Cool package of this one. It's called a 303A. What that kind of means to you is it's an XLT, but gives you some comfort features like leather, heated seats, upgraded stereo, cool other things. And I'll show it to you. It comes in a carbonized gray, the sport package with the blacked out package. That gives you, kind of a nicer blacked out rim. Gray looks good. And then we got the spray and box liner in this one. Tailgate step. I haven't shown a tailgate step in a while. Super easy to get in and out of. Even for an old guy like me, you got your lights in the back. Come in handy. This little spot is something I never show. I think this would be good for like tie down straps and stuff like that. A little cubby hole in the back. You can think of whatever you want for it. Then getting out of it. Then we'll show some features inside. That's where all the cool stuff is. Again, the patented F-150 back seat, all the leg room, great for car seats, great for just anyone in the back. You got your USBs, your 120, flat storage, rubber floor mats in this one as well. Cup holders here, cup holders here. I had my nephew for the weekend, cup holders everywhere. The more the better. That's a good thing. So inside the 303 package, cool features, leather seats, heated seats, dual temperature control, this nice mobile office package, gear shifter goes down, got your little working space here, then you've got navigation, adaptive cruise control, all on your steering wheel, set your distance, wireless charging pad, very well equipped, B&O sound system, which is awesome for those who like their music, and so that's the 25 XLT 303A package. If you want to come take it for a test drive, come look. We got a few in stock. We always have the best deals at Merit Ford in Carlisle, Saskatchewan. Give us a call, 306-453-4444.